So you're struggling to find the best build to get damage like this as a shifter, and you want to complete raids in under 330 or even quicker, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you my shifter build, which has gotten me 315 and even less, and I'll include an example of this build used in a raid. The perks you'll want to use are Art of War, Eviscerate, since this is a crit build, Adaptation, so you can be immune to Aaron's punches, Font of Inspiration, since you'll be using flares, and finally Founder's Blessing. Keep in mind, you will need 2 offensive perk slots as well as shifting, which are only available on Fritz and Shiki. Next up is the skill tree. In support, go down the right side for skill cooldown reduction. In offense, go down the right side to boost crit damage. In defense, go down the left side for damage reduction. The skills you'll want to equip are Shifting, Swift Strikes, Let It Rip, Black Flare, and Red Flare. Now let's talk about memories. You should be using Quake Strike, Apotheosis, Overslash, which is helpful in the first phase, and finally one of your choice. A suggestion is Fury Forge. For artifacts, equip a crown with double skill cooldown reduction and pair it with a scarf with double shifter damage. I'll now show you an example of this build in action. Stay tuned for the raid clip. If this guide helped you, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Also, let me know in the comments what builds or guides you'd like to see next.